Dealers speak out. Selling silver is a dead end. I just got back from 3 dealers here in my neighborhood, and all of them are saying the same thing. They're not even waiting for stackers to walk in the door anymore. They don't even wait. Here's what they're doing with silver. Now, typically, you and I, as stackers, we buy, 2 to 3 ounces a week if we can. And we try to keep that as much for as long as possible, accumulating tubes of silver. That's what we do as stackers. And really, this is an endeavor that takes place on the local level. Buying from a brick and mortar shop here, in your town. But it's been a long 12 months. This past year, silver has been stagnant, hovering between $32, $33 an ounce. Yes, we're supposed to be jumping for joy because over the past 2 days, we got a little bump. We went up, 60 cents? Everybody's supposed to be having a parade. Well, stackers are frustrated and dealers are even more frustrated. Now, where I live, dealers have completely changed their model. They don't even... I've had dealers that I've gone to for years, decades, literally. And now I don't even walk in the shop anymore. I can't. They've changed it. There's no display case. I used to walk in and I'd hang out and I'd look at different silver products in the display case. Those days are gone. Now they have these bulletproof plexiglass windows. I speak through a little hole in the window, and that's how we do business. It's a completely different game. And what dealers are doing is they're flipping everything to their wholesaler. They're not even waiting for stackers. So if you come in and you sell a tube of silver like I'm holding on your screen, you walk in, you cash out tube of silver. In days past, your local dealer would hold on to that and wait for a stacker to walk in and then flip it. Get a little profit by selling it to the next stacker. But because it's been such a long wait, really a dry spell of people buying silver on the local level, dealers just immediately, they flip it to the wholesaler. They go straight to wholesale. It is a completely new world and it's very telling. This is why I diversify my investments. I want to thank NEV Gold for sponsoring this video. Their ticker's on your screen. It's TSX-V, NAU, and OTCQX, NAUFF. China is retaliating against U.S. tariffs by banning exports of critical minerals, and this is exactly what smart investors wait for. Check this out. NEV Gold is a rare hybrid play. They're drilling for gold and critical metals like antimony in Nevada and Idaho. This positions them on 2 fronts. That's why I'm so excited about this company. They're positioned on 2 fronts. A massive advanced stage gold resource ready to move with the bull market, and they have exposure to antimony at precisely the time that the West is scrambling to secure supply. 1 stock, 2 angles. Look at this. NEV Gold has 1.25 million ounces of gold equivalent indicated and 326,000 ounces inferred already defined in Nevada and Idaho, 2 of the world's most mining-friendly jurisdictions, with Trump pledging to fast-track mining approvals. U.S.-based projects are getting a tailwind. This is when I like to get in on a company, right when things are about to move. NEV Gold's EV is just $31.5 million U.S. That's around $31 an ounce. Yes, you heard that correctly, $31 an ounce. Meanwhile, peers trade at $60 to $250 an ounce. Even a partial re-rate puts this stock on a rocket. With 3 drill campaigns in motion and antimony as a new twist, the market's going to notice. The second angle, antimony, is key. It's key because it's used in ammunition manufacturing and semiconductors. The U.S. is desperate, just desperate to get their hands on critical minerals, specifically those used in defense systems and semiconductor production. NEV Gold's recent antimony discovery at Limousine Butte makes this a company we all need to look at. In fact, Perpetua Resources, a gold and antimony company with a $1.7 billion market cap, Perpetua is seeing a lot of volume, and they're up 15% just on rumors the company is going to be taken over. People are chomping at the bit to be in on a gold and antimony company. NEV Gold, for me, it's even more exciting because their antimony, their grades are 5 to 10 times more pure. Check out NEV Gold. Their ticker's on your screen. Perform your own due diligence. You can tell I'm excited about them. Again, their ticker is TSX-V NAUOTCQX NAUFF. Perform your own due diligence. Check them out. Click the link in the description below. Check out NEV Gold, and I'll see you on the next one.